Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike is an impressive offering that combines functionality with modern technology, making it an excellent choice for both casual riders and those who need a reliable mode of transportation. This model features a powerful 1300W peak motor, which delivers a smooth and robust performance, particularly when navigating hills or rough terrains. The acceleration is remarkable, providing a thrilling ride without compromising on safety. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its large 48V 20AH removable battery. With a capacity of 960 Wh, it offers an extended range that allows for longer rides without the constant worry of running out of power. Depending on the terrain and riding conditions, users can expect to cover significant distances on a single charge. The removable aspect of the battery is also a significant advantage, making it convenient to charge the unit indoors or swap it out for a fully charged battery. The design accommodates two riders comfortably, which is a major plus for couples or friends wanting to enjoy rides together. The seating is spacious and plush, enhancing comfort during longer journeys. The bike's frame is sturdy yet lightweight, striking a perfect balance that aids in easy handling. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with high-quality brakes that provide excellent stopping power, instilling confidence even when riding at higher speeds. The front and rear lights are a thoughtful addition, ensuring visibility during night rides, which is crucial for safety. However, the bike is not without its downsides. Its weight can be a consideration for some users, especially if they need to lift or transport it frequently. Also, the initial investment might be higher compared to traditional bikes, but the long-term benefits and savings on fuel make it a worthwhile purchase. In conclusion, the two-seater electric bike is a robust, stylish, and practical option that delivers exceptional performance, making it a valuable addition to anyone's commuting or leisure activities.